Brevik CCS is the carbon capture and storage project we run in the Brevik cement plant.
It's absolutely possible to capture all CO2 or near to up to 100%. But this is demanding a lot of energy. It's of course depending on the technique used to catch CO2, but the proven major technique we have chosen demands a lot of energy. To simply explain the capture process of CO2 is that we grab our flue gases from the cement plant that today will go out in our chimney and try to clean it from CO2.
The most difficult part of that is to build it more or less on top of the existing plant. So that is really a challenge to construct these large components and to set them in place while we are running the cement operations.
After us, there will be several plants building CCS facilities. The nearest is at Gotland in Sweden, and that plant is assumed to catch up till almost 100% of the CO2 emissions there.